A for apple.
Hello guys.
B for
Today let's draw
ball.
makeup kit.
C
First
for
let's draw a cute lips.
cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish.
Now let's draw
G
a
for
eyeshadow palette.
gun. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for
Now let's draw a lipstick.
nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for
Now let's draw
Queen.
nail polish.
R for rabbit. S for star. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for
Now
van.
let's color.
W for watch. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you बच्चों.